Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax, a product that claims to easily remove scratches, restore paint, and even add a hydrophobic coating to your car. Sounds pretty promising, right? But before you rush to buy it, let's find out if it really works, or if it's just another overhyped product. The good news is that V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax is available on well-known marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba. That's a positive sign because buying from these platforms at least ensures that you'll receive the product. Unlike sketchy websites that pop up and disappear overnight, established marketplaces provide some level of buyer protection. But just because a product is available on these platforms doesn't automatically mean it's good. One of the biggest issues with this product is the over-the-top marketing. A lot of the promotions you see online come from affiliate marketers. While there's nothing wrong with affiliate marketing, the problem is that many of these people only focus on the positives because they're trying to earn commissions. So if you see reviews that make this product sound like an absolute miracle, take them with a grain of salt. Now, let's discuss real customer reviews. If you check Amazon, there are few reviews, and unfortunately, most of them are negative. Many buyers report that the product doesn't actually remove scratches and is basically just a fancy wax that offers minimal results. This is a huge red flag. A product with more complaints than positive feedback is usually one to avoid. Another strange thing is the price variation. If you compare Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba, you'll see different price points. So, if you still want to try it, make sure to shop around for the best deal. At the end of the day, the decision is yours. Well, based on reviews, it doesn't seem like the magical solution it claims to be. But if you've tried it, drop a comment below and let us know. Was it a hit or a total miss? Let's help each other make smarter purchases.